The sound of holding on, almost a whisper. The sigh of broken hearts, a quiet cry. The rain upon your face brings gravity and grace. And softly you begin to breathe again. I don't have all the answers to your sad prayers. But if I could give you angel wings to go where hope is found, with strength to reach beyond, and carries like a song upon the wind. Please, don't give up. Please, don't you give up. 'Cause I believe, yes, I still believe in us, the sound of holding on, almost a whisper, 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 almost a whisper.